In this tutorial, we will see that how to delete your Telegram account. Telegram doesn't provide a temporary deactivation feature, but you can permanently delete your account. Here's how to do it step by step. Open the Telegram app and tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see the If Away For option under the Automatically Delete My Account section. Tap on it, and you'll be able to choose a time period, ranging from 1 month up to 1 year. If you don't log in during this selected time frame, your account will automatically be deleted. However, if you want to delete your account immediately, scroll down and tap Delete Account Now. Next, tap Continue, then again continue on the confirmation prompt. Enter your phone number in the field provided and tap Continue once more. Finally, tap Delete My Account to confirm. This will permanently remove your Telegram account from all devices linked to it. And that's it. You're all set.